Google DeepMind just built a robot brain that thinks and acts at the exact same time. And that's only the beginning of today's news. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Saturday, August 1st, 2026. In robotics news today, Google DeepMind just launched Gemini Robotics ER2, a vision language model that doesn't think first and then act. It does both at the same time. That's a fundamental shift in how robots handle the physical world. It also supports multi-robot collaboration and is available to developers right now through an API. In policy news, the U.S. Federal Communications Commission has banned imports of foreign-made humanoid robots and four-legged robot dogs. The move squarely targets China and is framed as a national security issue. If you were counting on affordable Chinese robotics hardware reaching the U.S. market, those plans just got a lot more complicated. Also in robotics, DoorDash just launched DoorDash Air, its own in-house drone delivery service, fully certified by the FAA to operate commercially in the U.S. This isn't a partnership anymore. DoorDash is now building and flying its own aircraft. Autonomous last-mile delivery just got a major new player with serious infrastructure behind it. In AI training news, a German startup called Shift has a genuinely wild idea. They send a private chef to your home, cook you a free gourmet meal, and the chef wears a camera the entire time. Every slice, stir, and plate is recorded as training data for future cooking robots. You get lunch, they get a data set, creative doesn't even cover it. In science and robotics news, a Paris startup called Tornial has built a 40-gram autonomous drone that hunts mosquitoes. It uses ultrasonic phased array sonar, basically bat-like hearing, to identify insects by their wing beat frequency, then intercepts and destroys them mid-air. No chemicals, no noise. Mosquitoes kill over 700,000 people a year. This tiny drone is taking the fight to them. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about robots reasoning and acting simultaneously in the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.